Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, you guys, I am going to be sharing some brand new products that I picked up from the Mane Choice. And you guys, I'm not going to lie, the packaging pretty much sold me on this line. In addition to also liking the Mane Choice in general, I use their hair products a lot. If you guys watch my channel, you know that. So I'm going to go ahead and jump in, you guys. I'm going to show you the two products that I picked up from this line. First of all, this is their POW line, and that stands for Products Obsessively Working. So I was super excited about this collection, you guys, when I first saw it on Instagram, and I really want to show you how these products look because the packaging, you guys, like I said, really sold me. I just thought the way she did this packaging was super cute. And if you follow the Mane Choice online, then you know what Courtney looks like. This is Courtney right here. I just thought it was so creative, very cool. It says infused with Venus bark canca extract. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. I trust Mane Choice as far as their ingredients that they put in their products. I know they focus on healthy hair, which is #1, no matter if it's your styling products that you're using or the products that you use to wash and treat your hair. You always want to make sure that your products are doing some good for your hair. So I really do appreciate the ingredients they put in their products. It does say this is for all hair types. Of course, I do have curly hair. You guys, if you have not smelled any of their products, most of their product lines smell amazing, and it seems like this is actually purple. To me, it seems like all of their purple products kind of smell the same. They smell like Skittles to me, because I have their Easy on the Curl shampoo and conditioner. They're both purple, and then I also have their deep treatment from the Kool-Aid line. They all smell delicious. It all smells like Skittles. But yeah, so this is the leave-in. If you guys hear anything in the background, it's actually kind of storming outside, so you may hear that. This is the jelly. This is the gel from this product line. For the styling products, they actually only had two. They just had the leave-in and the gel. A lot of times I do like to apply a leave-in and moisturizer then my styler, but you know, this is what they have for the line. And if you have a really good leave-in, it can definitely moisturize your hair and prep it enough for your styler. It smells really good as well. It smells really sweet. It actually has sparkles in it, which is like super cute. I mean, little stuff like that just makes using the products just a little bit more fun and exciting. You know that I always like to apply my leave-in / moisturizers in the shower, just because I like to apply them on soaking wet hair. So I've already actually applied the leave-in inside of the shower. And my hair does feel soft. Let me scoot a little closer so you guys can see. And it smells really good as well. Yeah, I think my curls are actually liking this. I'm going to apply a little bit more just so you guys can see the consistency of this product. I don't feel like you can ever have too much leave-in, but this, you guys, is actually really thick, which I like. Yeah, it's a very thick consistency. And it just kind of glides through my hair. As far as the slip, but if I had to rate the slip, I would give it probably like a 7. Because my hair was, of course, thoroughly detangled before I started. But I don't think it has the best slip. But it definitely glides through my hair. So I would give it probably about a 7. So I'm just going back in and applying a little bit more before I go in with my gel. And as far as the price point, these products definitely were not cheap. They're definitely not cheap, but they do have salon ingredients, so I don't mind paying a little bit more, but I want to say they were like $15.99 a piece or like $16.99. I forget exactly, but yeah, they definitely were not cheap. Okay, and I just kind of do like a little side part. As far as frizz, you guys, I do have a little frizz, so my hair is not frizz free, but hopefully the styler will take care of any frizz. I'm gonna go ahead and section it off. So the consistency for this is, it's kind of like a sticky consistency, if you guys can tell. Literally smells amazing. Okay, so it's definitely gliding on pretty well. And I'm definitely being generous with applying this gel, because I've learned that my hair actually needs like a lot of gel to really have a good hold. So, and I like for my hair to last at least 4 days, because especially once the week gets started, it's just hard to take that time to restyle and, you know, start over. So any products that can give me at least 3 to 4 days, it's good in my book. Alright, so this is with the gel. So I do have really good definition. The more I use this, the more obsessed I'm getting with the smell. Alright, right, you guys, so I will be back in 24 hours and we'll see how it looks once it dries. Hey guys, welcome back. So it is the very next day. So this is my day 1 results after my hair finished drying. I have like the right amount of hold that I feel like this will last me at least three days, which I'm okay with. Hopefully 4, but I feel like it'll definitely give me about 3 days of defined pop-in curls. So you guys, I definitely recommend picking up this duo because I'm just like, I can't say it anymore. I feel like it gave me everything that I look for in products for my wash and goes. It gave me definition, minimal frizz. My hair feels moisturized. Like, that's super important. And like, outside of how my hair looks, it's very important that my hair feels good, and my hair is happy, so I'm happy. All right, you guys, so thank you so much for watching. Definitely don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. And like always, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.